Barbecue pork may be something you like to eat out, but what if you had a no-fail recipe to cook at home? This Peach BBQ Pulled Pork recipe from Jasmine Westbrooks on behalf of the National Pork Board is simple and delicious. As a registered dietitian, I recommend varying your protein sources. And pork is a tasty, nutrient-rich, and affordable way to meet protein food group goals. Once seasoned with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, and allowed to rest, cook pork in a preheated oven. Your food thermometer will dictate cooking time. Once pork reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees, about 2 to 3 hours, allow it to rest for 3 minutes and enjoy. My secret? A probe thermometer, so there's no need to open the oven when cooking. Meanwhile, whip up the Peach, yes Peach, barbecue sauce. Blend mustard, ketchup, brown sugar, peach slices, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chipotle powder, and peach preserves until smooth. Serve with plenty of plant-forward sides like potatoes, coleslaw, and collard greens for even more nutrient punch. Find this recipe and more on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.